von Chuck Berry haben wir umgearbeitet auf Brix Brothers Version.
Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, the two lights came and made of earth and wood. We left a country boy named Johnny B Goode, who never ever learned to read and write so well, but he could play a guitar just like a ring and a bell. We say go, go Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. We say go. Go, Johnny, be good. He used to carry his guitar in a kind of sack, sit beneath the tree by the railroad track. Old engineers and trains sitting in a shade. Some man with the rhythm that the drivers made. The people passing by the would stop and say, oh my, well that's this little country boy could play. We say go, go Johnny, go, go, go. Go Johnny, go, go, go. Go Johnny, go, go, go. We say go. Go, Johnny, be good. So, what the Brix here? The Brix on the harp, yeah.
Applaus, 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 Applaus.
Yeah. It's the Freddie Brix on the guitar. Freddie Brix on the guitar. Oh, his mother told him someday he will be a man. He will be the little rock with big old band. Many people coming miles around, hearing play music when the sun goes down. Maybe someday you'll never be alive, singing trying to be good tonight. We say go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go. We say go. Go, Johnny, be good. Johnny, be good tonight. Dankeschön.